All right, y'all, it's charm bracelet time. I'm going to make a different sort of charm bracelet tonight, and I thought I would bring you along with me. This was a just for fun project using some things that I already had around, like these earrings that I just wasn't wearing anymore. They were a little messed up at the top, so I decided to use those. Had a couple pendants that I didn't wear very often, but I thought they would really be fun on a charm bracelet. Now, this is a project that I think just about anyone could do. If you have those earrings laying around that you don't wear anymore, or maybe some bits and pieces of jewelry, and you're like, what do I do with this? It's still pretty, it still sparkles, it's still interesting, but I don't quite know what to do with it. This is the perfect project. Now I've got some green pieces here that I think I'm going to save for a different project, because it seems like this is just coming together to be more of a gold tone, or like an amber and gold tone piece. So let's see, I'm getting it laid out. I've got a variety of sizes, and I ended up choosing to put the largest gold dipped shell in the center of the bracelet. So I'm going to attach it, and then I think I'm just graduating down from there. I've got them attached. Now I'm going to go ahead and do the ones on either side. I've got a single earring that was like a citrine color earring. Absolutely beautiful, but I had lost the other one somehow, and I still wanted to use it. So it's going on the charm bracelet. And then besides that, I'm going to use a pendant. It's actually a slider pendant for a choker, but it's a cameo. And I'm going to put that on there as well. I just used some gold jump rings to attach them to the gold bracelet. It's total personal preference. Some people might find these charms or pendants a little bit large, but for me personally, I love the look. You could definitely use smaller pieces if that was your preference, but this was just something I will enjoy wearing very, very much. Could do it with lots of different styles. Then I'm going to put these sparkles on. You know, I love some sparkle. So I've got both those earrings. I'm separating them. I thought this gave it a little bit of cohesiveness to where there's a little bit of matchy in there, but kind of tied it all together. So I went ahead and put both of those on there. You kind of see me working it and reworking it. I moved a few things around. Like I said, this is a simple project, just some jump rings, some little needle nose pliers, and a bracelet. And then I had on either end, there's a small rhinestone pendant on one end, and on the other end I've got a copper pearl that was a pendant that I'm putting on there as well. So, it's turned out so fun, but I'm looking at it here and I'm seeing a little bit of a gap. And I liked the round baubles, the little citrine color baubles, and I decided it needed a little something else. So I'm trying to look at it and decide like what maybe I should add to it. So I think I'm going to add another pair of earrings. They were actually my grandmother's that I made her when I was a teenager. So I think I'm going to go ahead and take those off the little ear wires and then put them on to the bracelet just to kind of pull it together. And it has that touch of pearl. These are like the larger pearls. That's what I'm going to add. See, I'm just trying to figure out how it lays and work it to where I think it'll look pretty on the wrist. Yeah, right there. That's where it's going to go. So you see, I just dismember and take the ear wire off and then attach it to the bracelet. I loved this so much more. It's like it came all together once I added those pearls on there. So you'll see in just a minute what it looks like. Let me know in the comments if you are a charm bracelet wearer, because I know it's definitely a personal preference thing, but I've always loved them. To me, they've never gone out of style. In fact, I found a charm today that belonged to my grandmother. Then it had my dad's football number on it, so I'm going to add it to my charm bracelet. Lots of nostalgia, but this one is just a more kind of fun, sparkly, kind of glitzy one. But I just love how it turned out. So let me know what you think. Would you make something similar with your leftover bits and baubles that you don't quite know what to do with?